कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज। ओके, मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ।
I know you.
मैं तुम्हारा पीछा कर रहा हूँ।
I am following you.
मैं तुम्हें 2 महीने से जानता हूँ।
जो
2 महीने से जानता हूँ।
I know you for 2 months.
No, this is present perfect tense.
I have been knowing you for 2 months.
No, you are saying this in present perfect continuous.
So what was the question?
मैं तुम्हें 2 महीने से जानता हूँ. Question is based on present perfect.
I know you. I have known you
Yes.
for 2 months.
For 2 months. Okay. Now you say Prashant, मैं 1 साल से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ.
1 साल से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ.
Yes. Present perfect continuous tense.
तैयारी लेके मैं
preparing.
I am preparing for. नेक्स्ट साल से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ.
Yes.
I am preparing for 1 year.
No, I have
been preparing for 1 year.
Yes. मैं 2 घंटे से लिख रहा हूँ.
I am writing for 2 hours.
No, this is also from the present perfect continuous.
I have been writing for 2 hours.
Yes. Now you say that मैं 2 घंटों से गाड़ी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
मैं 2 घंटे से गाड़ी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
This is also present perfect continuous.
I have been waiting for cars. I have been waiting for cars for 2 hours.
By the way, car you cannot use it. Okay? Yes, car is used for the particular brand of particular type of vehicle.
Yes,
so vehicle you have to say.
Vehicles.
Or you can say cab also you can say. Got me?
Yes, sir.
Cab you can say. You say हम लोग यहाँ पर 2 महीने से हैं.
We have been here for 2 months.
Okay. मैं वहाँ 3 महीने तक था.
I had been there for 3 months.
Okay. Now you say क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ?
Am I know you?
Do I know you?
Do I know you?
Yes. क्या वह मुझे जानता है?
Do he know me?
Does he?
Does he know me?
Does he know me? वह क्या कर रहा है?
वह क्या कर रहा है?
Yes. वह क्या कर रहा है?
What he is doing?
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Okay, this is question. You say, brother, मैं शाम तक आ चुकूंगा.
I will have reached till evening.
Till evening. Okay. You say मैं कोशिश करता रहूंगा.
I will be trying.
Okay. You say, brother, मैंने शर्ट पहना है.
मैंने शर्ट पहना है. I have worn a shirt.
Worn.
I have worn a shirt.
I have worn
a shirt.
Okay. मैंने नहीं लिखा है.
मैंने नहीं लिखा है.
Yes.
I have not written. I have not written.
Okay. Next one say तुम कब उठते हो?
तुम कब उठती हो? When you will get up?
When do you get up?
When do you get up?
Okay. You say मैंने निर्णय ले लिया है.
मैंने निर्णय ले लिया है. I have decided. I have decided.
Okay. You say, brother, वहाँ कौन कौन है?
Who are there?
वहाँ कौन कौन थे?
Who were there?
मुझे ये फोन बिक्री करना.
I have to sell this phone.
You say, brother, मुझे सोचना है.
I have to think.
मुझे देखना है.
I have to see.
उसको अभी समझना है.
उसको अभी समझना है. उसको means
he or she you can use, no problem.
उसको अभी समझना है. He has to understand right now.
Yes, but now you say उसको अभी नहीं जाना है.
Sorry?
उसको अभी नहीं जाना है.
She don't have to go now.
Doesn't have to.
Yes, she doesn't have to.
That's great. So you people have done a great job. I asked you and you translated very well. So I'm gonna ask them to come here and let the people know that you have also idea of translating sentences. You also okay? I'll ask some questions. Simple questions. Don't be nervous, okay? By the way, this session I'm running to build confidence. Got me? Ah. So, Anit is Anit and is Shibras. So, same topic. Topic is this that I ask a question in Hindi and you have to translate a question into English. Okay? So, it's from where are you from?
Rangamati,
Rangamati, which division?
Panabast.
Pana. And you are from?
Batpadavi.
Matpadavi. Okay. Well, first question goes to Anit. You say, मुझे मेहनत करना है.
मुझे मेहनत करना है. I have to try. I have to work
Hard.
hard.
Okay. Or you can say I have to labor also.
Labor
You can
also.
say now मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे सोचना है.
I have to think.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है.
I have to learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ.
मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes. This is present continuous tense. How will you say? मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking
English.
Yes. मैं
बताइएगा.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. कोशिश.
Trying.
I am trying.
मैं कोशिश कर रहा था.
I was trying.
I was trying. मैं कोशिश करूँगा.
I will trying.
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ.
I will be trying.
I try.
I try.
मैंने कोशिश किया.
मैंने कोशिश किया. I did.
Try.
I did try.
I did try. You can say, but the sentence will be emphatic sentence. So I tried. We have to say.
I tried.
Okay. ना शिवराज जी से मुझे समय पर पहुंचना है.
I have to reach in time.
मुझे तुमसे मिलना है.
I have to meet with you.
Okay.
Meet you.
You can say, now उसने मुझे पहचाना.
He knows me.
He knew me.
He knew me. Sorry.
वो मुझसे मिलेगा. वो मुझसे मिलेगा. He will meet me.
He will meet me.
Okay. Next one say वहाँ कौन कौन है?
Who are there?
वहाँ तुम क्यों नहीं थे?
Why you are not there?
Why were you not there?
Were.
Yes sir. बता. अब तो मेरे पास क्या है?
तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Yes.
What did you have?
What do you have?
What do you have?
तुम्हारे पास क्या था? What did you have?
What did you have?
Okay. मुझे देखने दो.
मुझे देखने दो.
मुझे देखने दो. Use let.
Use
I have
that.
already taught you the use of let. Did I teach you or not?
Eh,
Okay. मुझे देखने दो.
मुझे. I let him watch.
Let me.
I let watch.
Let me see.
I let me see.
Okay. मुझे सोचने दो.
I let me think.
Let me think.
Let me think.
मुझे पढ़ने दो.
Let me read.
मुझे देखने दो.
Let me watch. See.
No problem. Watch the seconds. मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
Okay. Yes sir. मैंने उसे सोचने दिया.
I let him to think.
I let him think.
Think.
Okay. इसे मुझे सोचना चाहिए.
I have to think.
I should think.
I should think.
Okay. मुझे नहीं जाना था.
मुझे नहीं जाना था.
I did not have to go. I did not have to go. Okay. मुझे मेहनत करना पड़ रहा है. I am having to
work hard.
Okay. Yes sir, brother. तुम कहाँ से हो?
Where are you from?
मैं पानाबस्ती से हूँ.
मैं पानाबस्ती. I am from पानाबस्ती.
Okay. पानाबस्ती एक बहुत ही सुंदर गांव है.
पानाबस्ती
is a beautiful village.
पानाबस्ती is a beautiful village.
Okay. मैं 17 साल का हूँ.
I am 70 years old.
17 years old. मैं सबसे छोटा बेटा हूँ. छोटा बेटा means youngest son. मैं सबसे छोटा बेटा हूँ.
I am youngest
I am
son.
the
I am the youngest son.
youngest son. Okay. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Use can. You have to use can here in this sentence. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I?
What can I do?
Okay, thank you very much for your job. You have done very good job. Now come here. Let me ask you some questions. Okay, simple question. I am asking you. One second, Prasan, you come here. Prasan and you. Okay. 2 times I'm giving him chance to appear on this video. Okay. So now, what is your name?
Sir Sang.
Shivsang. Where are you from?
Sir Bhatpara.
Bhatparati. Okay. So Shivsang is here. So the same types of questions I'm going to ask you. Translation you have to do. Okay.
Sir.
First question goes to Prasan. Okay. First question because you're a little bit I think nervous. So let us start with Prasan. Okay. So Prasan, you say तुमने क्या सीखा है?
तुमने क्या सीखा है?
Yes.
What you have learned?
What have you learned?
What have you learned?
Okay. Next one से तुमने क्या महसूस किया है?
महसूस किया है?
Yes.
What have you heard?
Felt.
What
have you felt? Because feel third form is felt. Okay.
What means सुनना?
Okay. मैंने सुना है तुम स्वार्थी हो.
I have heard that you are a selfish person.
You are a selfish person. Or you can say you are selfish.
You are selfish.
Okay. Now you say उसको घर जाना है.
He has to go home.
उसको स्कूल नहीं जाना है.
He don't have to go school.
Does not.
He does not have to go school.
Okay. मुझे खाना पकाना है.
I have to. Can you sir?
Cook.
I have to cook.
मुझे रोटी बनाना है.
Sir, roti lege bancha.
चापत्ती.
I have to make chapati.
Okay. You say उसको अभी सोना है.
He has to sleep
Right now.
right now.
Okay. उन लोगों को मेरे बारे में सोचना है.
They have to think about me.
Okay. प्रशांत, you say तुम कब से मुझे जानते हो?
तुम कब से मुझे जानते हो?
Yes.
From when you know me?
Since when?
Since when you know me?
Since when have you known me?
Since when have you known me?
Known me.
Known.
Okay. मैं अनजान हूँ.
I am unknown.
I'm unknown. Okay. मैं अनजान था.
I was unknown.
मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ.
I am hardworking.
I'm doing hard work.
I am doing hard work.
मैं मेहनत कर रहा था.
I was doing hard work.
Okay. You say now. वो मुझे पहचानती है.
वो मुझे पहचानती है. She knows me.
Okay. मैं उसको पहचानता हूँ.
मैं उसको पहचानता हूँ. I know her.
Okay. हम लोग एक दूसरे से परिचित हैं.
हम दोनों एक दूसरे से
परिचित हैं. परिचित means known. We are known to each other.
We are known to each other. Sir.
Okay. You say now. मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have everything.
तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है.
You don't have anything.
Okay. You say तुम्हें कितना समय लगा?
सर तुम्हें कितना समय लगा?
Yes. This is past tense. कितना समय means how much time?
How much time
Did you take?
sir?
Complete this.
How much time did you take?
मुझे 2 घंटा समय लगा.
मुझे 2 घंटा समय लगा. I take 2 hours. I took 2 hours.
Yeah, please. Okay, thank you very much. That you have done a very great job. You may take a seat now. तो इसी तरह से हम लोग from here. Okay, so Is video recording? Okay. What should I ask you?
No, sir. No, sir. Translation.
Okay, so let me stop this recording. Then I'll